I just wanted to highlight our curtain rod for a minute. This is like such a beautiful, sleek curtain rod. It gives a nice modern feel. I love that it's not big and bulky. The sides are like very low profile, which is what we were looking for right here in this room. The curtain rod itself works really great. We have little, those hooks up there, and they slide. There are a few places where it catches. So you do, it comes in pieces, and you can decide how long you want this curtain rod. So on those little places, it can catch a little bit. We're thinking about putting some, I'll see if I can zoom in. We're gonna try to put some tape. Oh, you can't even see it. It's like a seam like right there. But we're gonna try to put some tape over it and see if that helps things slide. But it's still just a beautiful piece. We're very happy with it. It works great. Like I said, it does kind of catch up there. But all in all, it's been phenomenal, beautiful, very functional, super easy to install. We have 3 supports, 1, 2, and 3, and it works beautifully. So if you're looking into this, we recommend it. It's worked great for us.